Today we're going to talk about conjunctions of contrast. We're going to focus on three main conjunctions: although or even though, which is followed by a subject verb; despite or in spite of, which is followed by a gerund or a noun; and however, which is often found alone and at the beginning of a sentence. Let's look at this example. Here we see a boy. He studied hard all week, but he failed the test. Here we see a contradiction. We can state this contradiction in three ways: although plus subject verb. Although he studied, he failed the test. Despite plus noun or gerund. Despite studying, he failed the test. Or, despite his studies, he failed the test. And the last way we can state this is, he studied, period, however, comma, he failed the test. All three of these sentences mean the same thing, but they're formatted a little differently. Let's look at another example. It was raining. She went to the beach. These sentences are contradictory. We can say this in three ways. Although it was raining, she went to the beach. Here, although is followed by a subject verb. We can also say, despite the rain, she went to the beach. Here, despite is followed by a noun, the rain. The third way we can say this is, it was raining, period, however, comma, she went to the beach.